When sound is produced, it also produces a wave that travels through the air. This wave has a frequency. When it has a higher frequency, the sound sounds higher in pitch, while lower frequencies will sound lower in pitch. When an object that is in motion moves closer to an object at rest, a higher pitch is created, while if the object moves in a motion away from the object at rest, it has a lower pitch. However, the object in motion always maintains the same frequency and pitch. This phenomena is known as the Doppler effect.
Go. Okay, go.
When the object that is in oscillation, which in this case is the phone playing a frequency, moves towards you, it is catching up slightly with its own sound waves. With each successive pulse, the sound is a little closer to you. The result is that the waves are squeezed together and more of them reach your ear each second than when the phone is at rest. Therefore, the pitch of the sounds are higher. As the phone moves away from you, fewer waves reach your ear per second, so the resulting pitch sounds lower. The frequency of the phone itself does not change in either case. For your ears to detect this effect, the sound source has to be moving towards you or away from you at a minimum speed of about 15 to 20 miles per hour. In order to find the frequency which you are hearing when the Doppler effect is in place, you use the equation F equals 350, which is the speed of sound, divided by 350 plus or minus the velocity of the circle, which in this case is 15, times the frequency that is originally being played from the phone. When adding the 15, this is when the object is closest to you and therefore has a higher frequency, as opposed to when you subtract the 15 when the object is at its furthest from you to get a frequency that is lower than the original frequency of the object. Today we are using a bathtub bear and penguin to demonstrate the waves created in the Doppler effect that we just saw and heard. The bear is put into water and bounces up and down, and creates even waves that expand around it in circles. When quicker movements are applied to the bear, small wavelengths are created indicating a high frequency. When slower movements are used, larger wavelengths are created which indicate a low frequency. When the bear starts moving, it creates smaller wavelengths in the front of the bear, while larger wavelengths are behind the bear. The bear chases its waves, which is what causes the smaller waves to form in front of him, as the frequencies are closer together, and the frequencies behind the bear are farther apart. When the bear approaches or backs away from the penguin, different size waves are created. The waves which sound louder in pitch to the penguin is when the bear is moving towards it and there is a higher frequency of waves, while the waves that sound softer in pitch are when the bear is moving away from the penguin, and there is a smaller frequency between waves. The bear, however, always maintains the same pitch and frequency. This phenomenon is known as the Doppler effect. Real-life examples of the Doppler effect include police and emergency vehicle sirens as well as airplanes as they pass over bystanders.